Day 3.
Oh, there it is, right there. Pools Mill. Is that possible? We just miss it. We have to go around to get to it. Is this it?
There's a road up in there. I will go across. This is great, dude. Oh, looky here, looky here, looky here. We made it.
Can you actually ride across it?
Negative.
Oh, it's a walking bridge.
Yes.
Oh, this one's different. This is cool.
Yeah, it's got open sides.
Very nice.
Yes, I'm gonna stop. Oh, what is this? Oh, we have a band that's gonna be doing a...
Oh, no way. A music video. They want us out of their shot, I bet.
I bet you that's true.
I'm gonna park right here. As you guys know on the channel, we always meet the most interesting people on these trips. So we were just gonna film this covered bridge and pools and met these guys. Tell me your names again.
I'm Ryan.
Ryan and?
Braden.
Braden, nice to meet you. I'm Chris from MotoPhoto Adventures. Tell me again what kind of music you guys play and what you're into.
Like heavy, loud rock and roll music. It's just the two of us.
Yeah, it wasn't very heavy today because we were filming, so...
Yeah, there's no amps or mics or anything, but...
Nothing cool, but I promise we're heavy.
Yes.
I love it. And what's the name of the band?
We're called Fury in Few. F-U-R-Y space in space Few. F-E-W.
Okay, Fury in Few. Very cool. And you guys live in this area?
Yeah, and kind of close to here. So we're just shooting some content. We're about to be on tour, so we're trying to get some stuff to kind of post while we're out there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you got to be a band in 2025. You got to post reels and
TikTok.
all the good stuff. Yep, all the good stuff.
So where can people follow you then?
Fury in Few on everything. We're on all the social medias, any streaming platform. Come check us out on tour. Wherever you live, we'll be there soon.
Or just come to a covered bridge and you'll see
literally.
randomly playing, recording a music video.
Yes.
There you go.
We pulled up on them and we're like, hey, do you guys want a drone operator? And they're like, sure.
Yeah, that's...
So we recorded a little bit of drone footage to go with their videos.
Yeah, that's so cool.
You know, artists helping artists, collaborating.
There you go.
That's how you gotta do it.
That's what it's about.
Well, these guys dragged all their drums and all their guitars from way up there, so we better let them get on the road. It was nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Thank you
Thank you so much. Safe travels and have a great tour.
You as well.
Peace.
This is Pools Mill Bridge. It used to be an uncovered bridge, but in about 1820, Cherokee Chief George Welch built a grist mill nearby. He had a great working relationship with the people around here, even though he was Cherokee and the other people were white. He even married Diana Jones and had a prosperous business. He aligned himself with the Treaty Party, though, with John Quincy Adams. A little later on, Andrew Jackson became president and did away with that. And that's where the Trail of Tears began. Now, George married Diana, settled here and had a great business, but then in 1840 he died in a, quote, logging accident. However, there are some say that he was assassinated by the Native Americans in the Cherokee tribe because they didn't want the Treaty Party to succeed. Now, logging accident? Maybe, but they say it's haunted. And if you listen real carefully, you might even hear the ghost of Cherokee Chief George Welch.